the pie filling. So the chopped onions then add the ground chicken. Add ground black pepper, onion powder and barbecue sauce. You can add any flavors you like. Cover it while cooking for 45 minutes to make sure meat is well cooked. Let's prepare the dough. This is my leftover dough which I stored in the freezer. I am using a jar lid to form and cut the dough to circle. Place the dough into the ceramic baking dish. You can use any baking dish you prefer. Put mozzarella cheese in the bottom, then layer it with the cooked ground chicken. Add more mozzarella cheese on top of the chicken to make it more cheesy. Then cover the top with the dough. Seal it by folding both dough sides. Make holes on the dough to allow the steam to escape. Brush with egg wash. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 370 centigrade. Now, we have these delicious, cheesy, homemade chicken pie in barbecue flavor. This individualized pie is good for a one-person serving. This is also great for on-the-go meal. You can